my channel. My name is Jobs, and today I'm gonna show you my unboxing cooking-ware, because last time I burned my chicken soup. So now I'm gonna show you my pot that I just bought and just arrived today. Now I'm very excited to show it to you guys. So here we are. Give me a moment, okay? I will get the box. Now, this is my cooking pot. It's so heavy, so wait a minute. So I have to put it down, the camera here. It takes me an hour how to use this camera. Okay. So here. So now. So this is my, this is my pot. This is my pot. Look. I'm excited to open it. So we're gonna unbox this one. I bought set. Now, so you have to open here. Got it here. This is hard. I'm excited. So I need to open this one. So now I try to open this. I'm so excited for my new pot. So next time I'm gonna cook, I have a nice pot. Oh, I need a pot. P-O-T. Pot. Oh, I have a nice pot. Pot. P-O. Pot. I have a nice pot. Or something like that. Basta ganon. Yung ano. Meron akong kawali. I have a beautiful kawali. Caldero. It's so hard. Like this. You are the one step closer to cleaning and cooking. Ooh. What's this? Huh? Did I order this? I don't know about this. I like my camera. This one. Oh! Wait lang. Oh, this is the cover. Oh! Oh, wow! Ta-da! Oh, this is the cover. So heavy. That's why it's expensive. It's too heavy for you. Ta-da! Oh, what's this? Oh, you can hang this one here. You have to put it here. Oh, wow! Look at that! this one? Oh, so this one? Oh, not much together. So, wow, I'm excited. So beautiful, yay! I have a pot now. It's not high, so it's perfect for my cooking. So this one, a partner, this one. So excited. Shit. Look so. Oh yes. Oh, charan! Oh, so heavy. Oh, wow! Look at that! My saucepan! So beautiful. Huh? Something missing. Maybe this one. Huh? Maybe this one. Oh, something missing. Oh, there's another. There's the other box. Maybe this one. Okay. So this one, there's no cover. This one has a cover. Ta-da! I'm excited. This one, oh baby, I have so beautiful pot. Oh man. Oh, maybe I need one. So nice. Maybe this one, I can use this one. Wow, this is so cool. I'm excited to use this tomorrow. Okay, no more. Wait a minute! Oh, so, this one, I think this is the organizer. So I'm gonna put it here, in here. So, what's this? Oh, I got a free, what's this? Lalagyan ng lagayan ng pot. I don't know in English. Free. DC, what is the English this?
What is it?
When you put the
Pot holder.
pot holder, I know it now. Ooh. Oh, so baby, don't touch and don't put some stainless cooking for this. This is very nice. I have all the instruction. Oh, I'm so happy with my thing. Okay. So guys, that's my unboxing cookingware pot. I'm so excited. Oh, my camera is so nice. I know, my lighting is so nice. It takes for me like 1 hour to do it. I thought it's broken. So stupid. But you need to plug it. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.